Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to configure dlink router to wireless extender mode. I am using router dlink DIR615. Okay, let's start the video. Type IP address 192.168.0.1 for login your router. Please wait. Okay, select start. Yes, continue and select connection mode Wi-Fi. Click next. Select SSID. Already your router SSID. This is Galaxy S21. Yes. Type your already exist router password. Okay. And next select connection mode dynamic IPv4. Click next. This is extension SSID and password. I am changing this SSID and password. This is optional. You want to change or exist. Click next. For security reason, type here router login password and router login confirm password. Okay, you see your configuration page setting preview. I click apply. Applying setting. Please wait. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Checking connection to the internet. Please wait. Okay. Connection to the internet is configured and ready to use. Okay, internet is connected. We'll check speed test. Internet is speed test. Okay, check speed test. You see internet speed is up to 20 Mbps. Okay, once again I am login router. You see here router page, internet connected. Router configure is successfully completed. Thank you for watching me.